Hello. In this video, we will see how can we send dynamic QR codes to existing user data in Google Sheet. So in the Tickets app, create a new object, enter title, and then click on Create. Click on the View icon, click on Import, and import your CSV file with user data here. Map CSV data, and then click on Start Import. Once the contacts are imported, QR images are generated. Now again export these tickets. Click on Download CSV. Now go to Panel. Click on CRM. Let's create a custom field first. So I'm creating a custom field named as QR code. Select field type as string and save. Now go to Contacts. Click on Import Contacts. Select the downloaded CSV file here and map the data you want to import. So here I am importing name, WA number, QR image under QR code, and I am also importing event ID here so that I can have a differentiating factor. So I am importing this under quantity and then click on Start Import. Once the contacts are imported, go to Bulk Campaign, click on Create New Campaign, WhatsApp Campaign, Create Messaging Campaign, select Channel Version and enter campaign name. Here my audience will be segmented. So I will take the event ID. I can copy this from the Tickets app and paste it here. Here we can see that total receivers has changed to 5. Now in next, select channel, message type as template, select template. Here my image will be QR code. You can enter a fallback URL if you want. And my body variable 1 will be chat name. Click on next, save campaign. Click on the rocket icon to trigger. Thank you.